here to the MCG, and what a dismal sight that is. Absolutely down here, and the Sri Lankan team will be ecstatic if it stays this way for the rest of the evening, because after just 10 balls they're in deep put at 6 for 1. Incredible scenes here at the MCG tonight. A brilliant spell of bowling from Hughes and O'Donnell. There's been much drama, intense excitement out there, and 420,000 spectators and at least one commentator going right off their collective faces. A quick look at the card now, and just look at that. Hughes and O'Donnell, a pair of hat-tricks in just 10 deliveries. Sri Lanka, 6 batsmen dismissed, and not a single run amongst them. Just the one bye, and Sri Lanka 6 for 1 when the rain came. It doesn't look to have eased off at all out there. As a matter of fact, if anything, it's coming down just a little bit harder. Now, in these reduced overs matches, the umpires have to decide how many overs are to be bowled if and when the rain should stop. And that's not all. They must also decide the new run rate required by the batting side per the new number of overs to be bowled. And they do this by multiplying the number of balls bowled by the number of balls faced and dividing that figure by the average age of the batting side minus the number of spanners in a Sidcram toolkit. Now, there must be at least 15 overs bowled for there to be a result. And at this stage, I'd say if play were to recommence sometime in the next half an hour, 45 minutes or so, well, Sri Lanka would have to be scoring somewhere in the vicinity of 35, 36 runs per over or thereabouts. Not an impossible task, but pretty close to it. Well, the rain's still coming down in buckets full here at the moment. We've got some highlights to show you shortly in a desperate attempt to stop you all from turning over to the golf. This is the match played under lights up at the SCG the other night between us. But right now it's time for a news update, and up there in the National 9 newsroom it's Sewerage Pipe. Ross, could you get some more for me, please?
Yeah, sure, Richie. Can we get some more on this up here, please, for Richie?
You missed about, I caught you out, how's that? Goodbye. Well, how's that?
You idiot.
Oh, shit.
What's the matter, Rich?
Oh, gee, I've left the bloody windows down on the Vitesse. It's pissing down. It's not even my car. Could you go and wind them up for me, Jeff?
Can't go anywhere, Richie. We're about to go back on air. Stand by, everyone.
No, great.
5, 4, 3, 2, cue.
Thank you, Sue. Sewerage Pipe in the National 9 newsroom. And that's the scene down here at the MCG, still teeming with rain. And while we're waiting to see if it eases off, we've got those highlights to show you of Australia versus Pakistan, the day-night match played up in Sydney at the SCG last Tuesday. It was an important match for both sides to win this one, and for